Hi everyone, today I'll be making samosa pastry rolls. These required no deep frying, but still they came out delicious. For that, I'm boiling and peeling some potatoes and mashing them. Finely chop some onions, green chilli, ginger, and garlic and set it aside. In a pan, heat some oil and add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, and curry leaves. Add some the chopped onions and saute everything well. Add the green chilies, minced ginger and garlic, and combine everything well and cook for a couple of minutes. Now add salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, and garam masala. The detailed quantities will be in the description below. Combine everything well in low flame. Keep on sauteing it so that it doesn't burn. Now add the mashed potatoes and slowly combine everything well. In the end, you can add some coriander leaves as well. Let it cool on the side. Roll out the pastry sheet and put the toppings evenly on top. Now you can start rolling out the pastry sheet. Make sure to refrigerate it for about 30 minutes so that it makes it easier to cut the sheets. Now place the rolls on a baking tray lined with some parchment paper. You can add egg wash optionally and bake it at 375 Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. These came out crispy and flaky, buttery, and absolutely delicious. We had it with some ketchup, but you can make a easy green chutney and have it as well. Do let me know if you try it out. Thank you.